Welcome to Brain Booster, where we help you enhance your brain power and make smarter decisions. In this video, we will be discussing 10 ways to save money on interior decoration. Number 1. Plan your budget. The first step in saving money on interior decoration is to plan your budget. This will help you determine how much money you can afford to spend and where you should focus your efforts. Start by making a list of all the things you want to buy for your home. This could include furniture, accessories, lighting, and other decorative items. Once you have a list, research the average cost of each item and add up the total cost. If the total cost is more than you can afford, prioritize the items on your list and cut back on items that are less important. Number 2. Shop around. The second way to save money on interior decoration is to shop around. Don't buy the first thing you see. Take some time to compare prices at different stores and online. Look for sales, clearance items, and special promotions. Many stores also offer coupons and discounts for first-time customers or frequent shoppers. Take advantage of these deals to save money on your purchases. Number 3. Buy secondhand. Buying secondhand is another great way to save money on interior decoration. You can find high-quality items at a fraction of the cost of new items. Look for secondhand stores in your area, or shop online on websites like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. When buying secondhand, be sure to inspect the item carefully before you buy it. Look for any signs of damage or wear and tear that could affect its quality or longevity. Number 4. DIY. Do-it-yourself, is another great way to save money on interior decoration. Instead of buying expensive items, try making your own. There are plenty of DIY tutorials online that can help you create unique and stylish items for your home. For example, you could make your own curtains, throw pillows, or artwork. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. Number 5. Repurpose items. Repurposing items is another great way to save money on interior decoration. Instead of throwing away old items, try repurposing them into something new and useful. For example, an old ladder could be turned into a bookshelf, or an old dresser could be repurposed as a bathroom vanity. Not only will you save money, but you'll also be doing your part to reduce waste and protect the environment. Number 6. Focus on the essentials. When decorating your home, it's important to focus on the essentials. These are the items that are necessary for your home to function properly, such as furniture, lighting, and storage. Once you have the essentials in place, you can focus on adding decorative items. This will help you save money and avoid cluttering your home with unnecessary items. Number 7. Use what you already have. Using what you already have is another great way to save money on interior decoration. Look around your home and see if there are any items you can repurpose or reuse. For example, an old coffee table could be painted and used as a bedside table, or an old dresser could be used as a TV stand. By using what you already have, you'll save money and give new life to old items. Number 8. Buy multi-purpose items. Buying multi-purpose items is another great way to save money on interior decoration. Look for items that can serve multiple functions, such as a storage ottoman that can also be used as a coffee table or a sofa bed that can also be used as a guest bed. This will help you save money and space in your home. Number 9. Consider alternative materials. When shopping for interior decoration, consider alternative materials that can save you money. For example, instead of buying expensive hardwood flooring, consider laminate flooring or vinyl flooring. These materials are less expensive but can still give your home a stylish and modern look. Similarly, instead of buying expensive granite countertops, consider quartz or laminate countertops. Number 10. Don't rush the process. The final way to save money on interior decoration is to not rush the process. Take your time and make thoughtful decisions about each purchase. Rushing the process can lead to costly mistakes and regretful purchases. Take the time to research each item and consider how it will fit into your overall design plan. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid wasting money on items that don't fit your style or budget. Thank you for watching Brain Booster, and we'll see you in the next video.